Hello, my name is Danny Kowachek, and today I'm going to introduce my healthy food truck, Wraps Attack. The reason for this food truck is because of three current problems with food on MSUB's campus today. MSUB provides Sodexo-only products, and the feedback from many students is that Sodexo is not healthy and lacks quality ingredients. Sodexo is not conveniently placed on campus, and all three locations taste the same. To solve these problems, Wraps Attack will provide ingredients that are local, fresh, and healthy. Wraps Attack will locate its truck next to the clock tower because of its central location on campus. And Wraps Attack will provide a new and exciting taste that is different from Sodexo. Why Wraps Attack? Wraps Attack will provide an app that allows you to make orders for pickup, making the trip to practice, school, and work quick and easy. Wraps Attack has a mission that is built on healthy community and healthy lifestyle. Wraps Attack is a local business that will put money back into the Billings economy. The menu at Wraps Attack is high in protein and really healthy. The honey garlic roasted chickpea wrap has 360 calories and 19 grams of protein. The buffalo chicken wrap has 319 calories and 36 grams of protein. The tangy veggie wrap has 298 calories and 16 grams of protein. And the smoked salmon and cream cheese wrap has 291 calories and 24 grams of protein. Thank you, and spread the word that wraps are on the attack.